Hello and welcome to this video in the Google Shopping Training Series. In today's video, we will be discussing how to optimize your products in Shopify so that Google can deliver your products to a highly targeted audience. The bulk of today's training will focus on using keywords. Because of this, there will be a link to our keyword research video as a supplement to this training. Before we get started with the training, I wanted to remind everyone to subscribe to the channel. I put out a video every single day to build your knowledge in advertising, marketing, Shopify, and dropshipping. I do this absolutely free of charge. I also host a live call every Thursday night for the Facebook group where I give away a 1-hour consulting call. By subscribing, you are helping this channel reach more people and build out the revenue required to keep producing these videos for you. Thank you so much for clicking through. I hope you enjoyed the video. Everything is set and you should have a campaign that is good to go. Now it's time to double check that all of your products are properly set up to be delivered to the best audience possible. Open up your Shopify admin panel and navigate to all of your products. Let's select any product in your list and open it up to the screen where you can edit all the information about it. On the right-hand side, you will see a section that says Tags. This is the metadata section of your product that helps Google decide what your product is about based on what you say it is about. This isn't the only source of information that exists for your product, but this is your opportunity to tell Google what this product is about and how people might search to find something like this. How do we find these words? Keyword research. There's a link in the tag section of this video and in the description to go over the keyword research. But know that you must use proper keyword research when writing product descriptions and tags. Once you have a list of keywords that you can use in your description, put them into your tags as well. Let's use this product as a basis for our tags. As a part of our keyword research, we identified multiple opportunities for people searching for similar products. We wanted to use the following keywords: rose, handmade, handcrafted, best gift, gift, holiday gift, special gift, anniversary, anniversary gift, gift giving, 24 karat gold. We incorporated these into our product description as best as we could. Now it's time to add them to our tag list. You can add a word at a time and press comma to start a new word. We also want to add some of those holidays as well. We would add Valentine's Day gift, Valentine, Mother's Day gift, Best Gift 2020, Best Gift for Wife 2020, Best Gift for Girlfriend 2020, 24 karat gold gift. These are likely the best possible options to describe how we would expect to be found for this product. You should work to a minimum of 10 tags per product, but I suggest having at least 20. You can never have too many quality tags, but adding tags just to have more is an absolutely terrible idea. I'd sooner have no tags than to have tags that are not related or a strong enough relation to the product. Be careful about stuffing tags just for the sake of having tags. As for product descriptions, these should be natural in tone. You shouldn't be writing descriptions to appease robots at Google. That is why we have the opportunity to have tags. Instead, write to your prospects in a persuasive fashion using keywords that you identified where they seem to fit. If you find yourself focusing on forcing the use of a keyword, just don't use that keyword. It doesn't have to go there. That's all for today. If this video helped you at all, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more daily advertising, marketing, Shopify, and dropshipping training. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.